Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good day. My name is Amalia Aida binti Abdul Halim, and today I will be presenting a strategy discussion report on how human resource management and quality management systems can be strengthened at Imtiaz Bank Group or EBG following its acquisition by Emir Automotive Sdn Bhd EA. This presentation is delivered from the perspective of a senior manager at EA, supporting top management in developing EBG's 5-year business plan. The focus of this presentation is on people, leadership, and quality system as strategic enablers of long-term competitiveness. This slide outlines the overall structure of our strategic discussion report following the acquisition of EBG. The flow is designed to move from understanding the current situation through transformation initiatives and finally towards strategic impact. To begin, it is important to understand that the EBG's challenges are systemic rather than isolated. EBG is a long-established sports car manufacturer with strong brand heritage. However, in recent years, its market reputation has declined due to inconsistent product quality, outdated vehicle models, and high pricing relative to perceived value. From an organizational perspective, EBG operates within a traditional hierarchical structure. Decision-making is highly centralized, which slows responsiveness and limits cross-functional collaboration. Following the acquisition, job insecurity and uncertainty have increased, leading to low morale and weakened trust between employees and management. These factors interact to create a reactive operating environment where problems are addressed after failures occur rather than being prevented. This existing organizational structure priorities control over agility. While this provides formal authority, it is poorly suited to modern automotive manufacturing, which requires fast decision making and cross functional coordination. This rigid structure has contributed to functional silos between production, quality, engineering, and procurement. As a result, quality issues are often escalated vertically instead of being resolved at the source. Culturally, EBG is characterized by low psychological safety. Employees are hesitant to raise issues or suggest improvements due to fear of blame and uncertainty. Communication is weak, and employees often receive information about organizational changes through informal channels rather than from leadership. To address this, ABG should transition toward a hybrid structure, retaining functional governance while introducing cross functional teams for vehicle platforms and quality improvement initiatives. Culture renewal must focus on transparency, trust, and shared accountability. Next, we move to leadership, teamwork, and empowerment strategy. Leadership behavior is the single most important lever for sustainable change at ABG. Currently, leadership follows a top-down management style with limited visible presence at the operational level. This weakens trust and reinforces the perception that quality is the responsibility of the quality department alone. Across this, leaders must become active champions of quality and improvement. This includes regular shop floor engagement, participation in quality reviews, and consistent communication of strategic priorities. Teamwork must also move beyond production only coordination. ABG should institutionalize cross functional problem solving teams involving production, quality, engineering, and procurement. Finally, empowerment must be genuine. Employees should be given real decision rights within clearly defined boundaries, supported by training and no blame learning culture. This encourage initiative, accountability, and continuous improvement. Now we look at quality management system, QMS analysis, and transformation plan. One of EBG's most critical weaknesses lies in its quality management system. Although EBG is certified to ISO 9000-2000, its QMS is largely compliance driven and documentation focused. Quality ownership is concentrated within the quality department, and corrective actions are often reactive rather than preventive. In the automotive industry, this is insufficient. Automotive manufacturers are expected to operate under IATF 16949, which emphasizes defect prevention, risk-based thinking, and organization-wide quality ownership. To bridge this gap, a phased QMS transformation is recommended. First, leadership alignment and accountability for quality. Second, strengthening process discipline and risk-based thinking. Third, embedding structured problem solving and continuous improvement. Finally, integrating suppliers' quality management. This approach allows EBG to improve quality performance without disrupting operations. Workforce planning, skills, legal issues, and women inclusion. EBG's workforce challenges further constrain quality and performance. Workforce planning is short-term and operationally focused, leading to skill shortage and heavy reliance on a small number of experienced individuals. Cross-training is limited, reducing flexibility and increasing operational risks. From a diversity perspective, women remain underrepresented in production and technical roles. This limits access to a broader talent pool and reduces innovation potential. To address this, EBG must adopt strategic workforce planning aligned with quality objectives, strengthen cross-functional skill development, and implement inclusive recruitment and development strategies that support women's participation in technical roles. This not only support quality improvement but also long-term sustainability. Next, we look at performance, motivation, and skill development plan. At EBG, performance management systems currently prioritize output and low and cost, with limited emphasis on quality behavior or improvement participation. This misalignment sends the wrong signal to employees. When quality is not measured or rewarded, it becomes secondary. To correct this, quality-related indicators such as defect reduction, corrective action effectiveness, and improvement participation should be integrated into individual and team KPIs. Reward systems should recognize proactive problem solving, collaboration, and learning, not just production volume. At the same time, skill development must extend beyond task-based training to include problem solving, leadership, and quality awareness. We move to communication improvement strategy. Effective communication is essential during transformation. EBG should implement consistent, transparent leadership communication, clearly explaining strategies and prioritize progress and expectation. Two-way communication channels must be strengthened to allow employee feedback and engagement. Clear linkage between strategy and daily operations help employees understand their role in organizational success and reduce uncertainty. Finally, we move to conclusion and strategy impact. In conclusion, ABG's challenge cannot be solved through certification and restructuring alone. Sustainable improvement requires a lot holistic transformation integrating such as leadership behavior, organizational structure and culture, workforce capability, performance management, and an automotive grade quality management system. By aligning HRM and QMS as strategy enablers, EBG can restore quality consistency, rebuild employee trust, and strengthen its competitiveness within the automotive industry. Ultimately, quality excellence is not about a paperwork. It's about people, leadership, and continuous improvement. This is list of references that we have used in this slide. That's all for business proposal today. Thank you. Anything you can get back to me through my email or my phone number. Thank you.